What's up everyone, and welcome back to the most underrated build known to man, the Passat. Guys, today we're finishing it up, and then Chris is just gonna sell it just like this. Yeah. Cause he said, F Passats, Volkswagen, he's done with this shit. Yeah. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put his splitter on, front splitter that we f***ed up the first time, but you know, second time's a charm, right? How can we screw up a second time? Knock on wood, please. He fit this whole thing in his back seat. It's kind of nuts. It's like those Amazon delivery drivers that like use their personal vehicles for packages. I mean, we're gonna get that out of there?
Yeah, this thing's about 6'2", you know what I'm saying? Nah, about 6'4", cause I'm about 6'2", you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm just that tall, you know what I'm saying?
Let's cut this open. What the f are y'all doing? One piece of cardboard goes flying, my mom goes ballistic. Mom, I know you watch these, I love you.
I love you too, don't, I wasn't blocking you, definitely not.
What are you, nuts?
We had to get a sound clip for that.
Hold on. Move, motherfucker. Bro, three-piece wheels are honestly overrated. And this is coming from the guy with three-piece wheels, so I feel like my opinion is valid. Hey! The, like, shittiest sticker known to man.
Wait, they gave a sticker now?
Yeah. And this literally looks like something we made in my basement. Did they give instructions last time?
No. They gave instructions this time too? Bro,
hey, Splitter Gang, y'all stepping your game up, man.
No, bro.
And sticker and instructions? Where were y'all like 5 months ago? Step 1. Jack the front of your car for an easy access. Don't forget to put your jack stands. Align perfectly the lip under the bumper. The tip of the lip should be lined with the corner of your bumper near the wheel. See picture above. With permanent marker, mark your drill spots on the bumper through the holes of the lip. The lip should not move. If you can't reach the bumper with your marker, skip to step 4. 5. Make an easy access to reach the holes inside the bumper. 6. Assemble the lip with hardware. See assembly instructions. 7. Put the lip on the bumper by aligning the studs through the holes. 8. Tight all remaining hardware inside the bumper, nuts and washers, while holding your hex key into the stud to make sure it won't turn. 9. Reinstall all removed trims and you're ready to rock and roll. We're gonna go watch some YouTube videos and figure out how the hell to take this bumper off, and we'll keep you guys updated. So, we're going to take the wheels off. Chris was so hyped this whole week because he bought himself his fancy new rigid impact for a cheap price at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever the and bottom line, he forgot it at home. And then I was like, "Did you bring your impact?" And he's like, "No." And then he just burst out into laughter, realizing what the hell he did. And now look at him. He's like a dad. He's got his glasses off. And he's reading the instructions without his glasses on.
Yeah, that's...
So what are we gonna do, Chris? Let me guess, we're gonna sit there with a Allen key like we did with your rear bumper?
No, wait. We might not have to take the bumper off.
right, let's just talk about the fact of how we're gonna get nuts on the top side of that bumper without taking the bumper off. So same thing as the rear bumper, we went ahead and removed all of these little screws right here holding up the fender liner. We also removed the grill, because why the not? And Chris can't get his open.
It's almost there.
There we go. That took you way longer than it was supposed to.
Yeah, it did. Welcome back to Reality Vlog. This is my 2014 Passat. This is a 2.5 liter engine. This is also a V5 engine. Make that make sense? Yeah, we're gonna try to make that make sense, okay?
A V5? Where's half the V?
A V5 engine, okay? It's missing a cylinder, okay?
I'm lost in the blitzkrieg.
We couldn't fit that, whatchamacallit in there.
Motherfucker, we could have taken the wheels off and used that.
Why take the wheels off? Let's just make our lives harder for no reason.
Hey man,
we need this.
You got it, I can't fucking. Splitter gang, can you give Chris more brain cells so he can fucking bring his impact next time?
What's that? What the f? What is that? I don't even know what this is.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Nice one, Martin. Breaking all my
What do you mean you broke this shit?
I don't even know what that is. What even is this? Like, let me see.
It's a fucking yellow sticker.
Like, who put this on?
Nah, but look how it's cut. It's like how I would cut stickers. I like it. It's a nice touch.
This is a whole company out in California.
They cutting stickers out of somebody's grandma's basement. Caution. Professional installation is strongly recommended. Look, they also said tight.
What?
You gotta tight all the remaining screws.
Bro, where did I order this?
There's some like foreign dudes in a garage. They're like, yes, we make splitter. We make splitter for car that nobody makes for.
His thing is Nico Automotive Enthusiast.
Totally legitimate last name. Guys, just letting you know, if your mom don't bring you and your homie tea while you're working on the car on a cold day in your garage, she ain't a real one. But mine is. Refreshing. So Chris don't usually drink tea. It good? Mm-hmm. It's good? Yeah, see, he just keep coming back for more.
That's tight.
That's tight right there, yeah. On the top side here, got a couple screws. We got some washers on the top side because this thing is literally so frail that if you don't put washers in, the nuts will just go straight through and just compress that material until it breaks through. Apparently we weren't supposed to put washers on the bottom side. They gave us one washer per bolt. We didn't know that, so we put two just to be safe. But thankfully, since we already did this once, we had two from the last time.
You know, when there's no car parts connected to your car, that means you're boosted, you know what I'm saying? Give them some of that 2.5 liter action, you know what I mean? That's auto power, you know what I'm saying?
It's Das Auto, but you want to know what it's not? F***ing making any sense as to how this thing was f***ing engineered. Gonna get this last one done, then put the bumper back on, drop this bitch, and see how it looks. Hopefully we got it straight. I'd hope we know a thing or two about that. That's how you win with Volkswagen, guys. You just hit the shit out of it till it goes back in. So this is what it looks like in the air. Honestly, I think that looks pretty good. That's probably the best mod that we put on so far. It just makes the front end look a whole lot more aggressive. Not too bad of an install. Just, you know, first timers. It adds a little bit of extra width too, so it kind of matches the body lines now. God.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that looks really good. I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and pull this thing out the garage, dude. Mainly so I can sweep all of this Passat dust. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching another Passat install video. It's a great series. I love this car. I don't really love Volkswagens like that unless it's like a Golf or, you know, one of the cool ones. But I love Chris's. I love Chris's Volkswagen. I think it's super dope and I enjoy working on it every single time because I learned something new. It's not a great starter platform just like this one, but you learn a hell of a lot if you really want to. So I appreciate you guys watching till the end of this video. Thank y'all so much and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out. How that came about is we bought a broom and then I broke it because I was swatting at the spiders and then I hit that like that connector part of the broom. I hit it on the brick and then it just broke in half and I was like, oh, f***. And then my mom made fun of me. And then my mom went to go buy another broom and then guess what she did? The same exact thing in the same exact place and broke it. And then she started laughing about it and I'm like, who's the idiot now?